My daughter came out of her bedroom, and just as she came out of her bedroom, I got up and looked out of the window, and I saw flames.
It was a cold night, and their house burned down. They fortunately were able to escape with their daughter Louise, but they lost the house and they lost all of their possessions.
I think probably the next day we phoned the insurance company. I guess we called him adjuster, came out to look at the house. He'd put in the claim and whatever, and he said it was an accident. Obviously it was, it's nothing we could have done.
I was curious as to why the insurance company was not paying the claim. They did investigate, they went to the police, and the police thought there was nothing suspicious about the fire.
So we phoned the adjuster, the guy we knew, and he said, I'm not allowed to talk to you anymore.
They had to go through a 2-month trial in front of a jury, called all of the evidence, and the trial went very well.
The jury came back at one point and said, was there any limit to the amount they could award? And at that point we knew that we probably were okay.
And they said, well, insurance company, because of the way you treated your clients, it was reprehensible, and awarded $1 million in punitive damages over and above all of their compensatory damages. At the time, $1 million in punitive damages in Canada was record-breaking. Rather than accept the jury's verdict, they decided to appeal.
So we had to go to the Supreme Court of Ontario, and there they decided they cut the award down to, I think it was $100,000. Gary was obviously believed us and was on our side and was prepared to help us so he could.
I urged them that I thought there were appealable grounds, and urged them to go to the Supreme Court of Canada.
I was very angry. It was just, my husband might have given up, but I just didn't. I said, no, this just isn't right.
The Supreme Court of Canada released their decision in 2002 and restored the jury's verdict.
More than anything, I felt that we were vindicated, and also that the insurance company were duly, punished, and that was it. I would certainly recommend Gary and Will Davidson, because they've proved themselves and they've done an excellent job, and I'm sure they would work as hard and as well for anybody else that needed their help.